Hey guys.
Hey! Today we are going to be doing some yoga. Yes! Okay, so let's get started. First, put down your knees and downward
Like and subscribe.
dog. Put down your knees, downward dog. Now let's stand up. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to
Like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see some yoga videos.
We're going to do this again. But now it's going to be a cat. So we're going to go look to your stomach. Look up the sky like a cow. Down. Look at your belly, okay?
Good job, there.
Now we're going to do downward dog again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get down, downward dog. Get down, downward dog. We're going to do the same thing that we did on the second. 5, 6, 7, go.
Don't you gotta do it? Don't you gotta do it for a while and do stretches too?
Yes, we do.
You gotta stretch up your back, your arms, your legs, and think about it when you're doing it.
Okay. Now we're
And
going to
say, nam yam na where it go, nam yam where it go.
What are you talking about?
Something I seen on a movie. Nam yam where it go.
Alright, let's do it now. Look at your stomach. Look up like a cow. Look at your stomach like a cat. Look at the sky like a cow. We're going to stretch. Okay, so now I want you to close your eyes and just shiver like a snake. And then you're gonna, whatever like a snake is like, we're gonna do that, okay? Okay, you did that. Now we're gonna stretch. Yo, I'm doing this because Miss Rachel, she was in our class, and she did this with us before with all of our classmates. My mom is cracking up right now. Stop! All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it. And,
Oh God.
let's keep doing the snake until I tell you you can stop. Stop. Alright, so when we do the snake, I want you to try to keep your breath in for 4 seconds. Let's go. Stop. Okay, next is we're gonna do the downward dog. First, we're gonna stretch. Just stretch, get your knees. All right, now let's do the downward dog. Like that. Downward dog. Downward dog. Now, let's get up. Stretch. Stretch. Okay, next we're gonna do the cat. Same as the downward dog, but it's gonna be different. The same as downward dog, like baby, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Look at your belly like a cat. Like a cow, look at the sky. Like a cat, look at your belly. Like a cow, look at the sky. Alright. Okay, now, next one. Snake again, that's the third one. Let's do it. First, stretch. Alright, snake. Stop. Next.
You laughing?
The next yoga. What is the next yoga? I don't know. What else yoga?
Y'all did a good job. Anything else you want to do?
Yeah, yoga. Okay.
Get some good stretches in there, some good meditations in there.
Oh, alright. This is a breathing one, so we're gonna go. Oh, I got a good one. Alright, we're gonna so Amanda, no. Reach it to the sky.
Yeah.
We're gonna go
Down.
so it's gonna be brain.
Like and subscribe to our channel, guys. Hit
Now
the bell, hit that like button.
we're
thumbs
gonna
up,
breathe while we do it. 3, 2,
subscribe
1.
if you want to see more videos like this. If you want to do more yoga with the girls.
Alright guys, we're done with the yoga. Thanks for watching.